Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we create method to display user information in our home PHP, and we will also create method to allow users to log out. So first of all, go to your user class to create that method. So go to your users class, and below the login method, you need to create new public method. So create public method, and name will be user data with the capital D, and it will take the session user ID to get the user data from the database. And now to prepare our SQL query to get the user data from the user table. So statement equal to this PDO prepare method, and you need to select all from users table where user ID equal to this logged in user ID name placeholder, and now to bind the user ID to get the user data from the user table. So statement bind from user ID name placeholder and user ID data will be integers, so from underscore int. And now to execute the query, so statement execute, and now to return the data, so return statement fetch method, and we do return has object, so PDO colon fetch underscore obj for object. So this will take the user ID and get the user data from the user table. In our display user data, so go to your projects file folder and open up home.html file with your code editor. Now copy the template code and go to your home.php file and paste right here below PHP code. And now to get the user variable to get the user data from the user table, so we need to change echo to user ID, and this will be equal to our session ID here. Now to get the user data for this session ID, so user variable equal to get from u object variable, which is our class object, and here will be our method, so user data with the capital D, and we need to pass the user ID. Now we can display the user data in our home PHP. So scroll down to find the profile links and images to display the user data. So scroll down, and inside our drop inner div, we need to display user profile link here and the username. So first open and close PHP tag here to display the profile link. So echo user variable and username. Now copy the PHP blog to save the time. Now scroll to right, paste here for the username, and here will be the user profile image. So change this to profile image, which we will add in our user table. Now scroll down to find user profile cover and image, which is here. So here will be our user profile cover, which we will add. So paste the PHP blog and change this to profile cover, and here will be user profile image. So profile image, and here will be user profile link, and also here, and here will be user profile screen name. So change this to screen name, and here will be username. Now scroll down to find user image in our tweet form, which is here. Here will be user profile image. So paste the PHP blog again, change this to profile image, and now inside the field user profile image and the cover, so go to your PHP admin and go to the database and users table. And now to update the profile image and the profile cover column. So here will be assets folder where our default profile image is. So images slash, and here will be our default profile image name. So default profile with the capital P profile image dot png. Now copy the link. If you go to your website root directory, go to website root directory, and inside the assets folder, images folder, here's our default profile cover, and here's our default profile image. So for the profile cover, paste the link, and we did change profile image to cover image. So here will be capital C for cover, and here will be image, capital I for image, and this will be .png. And now go to your home PHP, refresh the page. Now display the user information in our home PHP. So here's our user profile cover, default cover and default image, and here's our user profile link, and here's our screen name and the username. Now to also display the user following and the followers, so again go to your home.php file and scroll up to find the following and the followers count, which is here. So here will be followers. So open and close PHP tag and echo user variable and the followers column. Again copy the PHP blog, paste here for the followings, change this to following. Now refresh the page. Now display 00 because we didn't create the follow system, which we will create later. And also later we will count the tweets to display the posted tweets. And now to create the logout system to allow users to log out, so again go to your users class, and below user data method we need to create the logout method. So public function logout. So here when you type the session, so $_session, and this will be equal to array, empty array. So this will unset all the sessions, and also going to destroy the user ID session to make sure user ID session is deleted. So we will use session_destroy method to destroy the user session, and also going to redirect user to index.php. So again header, and here will be location, back directory // and here will be index.php file. And now to create the logout PHP, to call this logout method, so create new file in your includes folder, and this will be logout.php. Open and close PHP tag, and first we need to include the int file. So include, so /core/int php, and here we need to simply call our logged out method. So cat from u log out method. And now to test this out, so go to your home page, refresh the page, click on the profile image. Now click on the logout link. Now it redirects to home PHP, which means it's fully working. So we successfully created a method to display user information in our home PHP, and also created a method to log out. So in the next lecture we'll make our sign up form work. So see you in the next lecture.